Did you know that I imagine us together as so many people has done it before us and after, and I know the two of us are meant to be together. Did you know that I smiled when I thought of your name? Did you know that I know the things will never be the same? 'Cause we are here together, making sure our balance scales are just right. Are just right. Yes. Did you know that I would care and allow your caring heart to embrace mine? Did you know that we would grow and show ourselves that we were right? Yes. Did you know that we would show how great it is to know thyself this way?